Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, August the 21st, 2023. Beginning of the new week, working week. New puzzles, and we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also additional extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and we have a 4 stars Sudoku, a misprint of the 4 stars Sudoku publisher. We have also two Tectonics, aka Jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening. 4 of them I will solve. And what's the news of today? Well, let me see the news of today. Well, there's athletics. Yeah. 2 women fell in the race. Yeah, we have the 10K on Saturday. Yes, Sifan Hassan, a Dutch runner, fell. I believe 20 meters. Not she didn't finish because she fell 20 minutes before the end. Yes, same for this woman, Femke Bol, 4 times 400 meters. Yeah, a mixed race, and she fell also, I believe, 4 meters with the sprint. Yes. So dramatic end, but let me start with the Medium Sudoku. You are interested in this puzzle? Yes, this puzzle number, I believe, number 6957. Yes, 6957. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in this column, so no 9 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there, so 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. And here can be an 8. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. So the 8 in the last row could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay, and now. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers in the last row is number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. Only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So one number left now in this last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright, 2, 2, okay. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 3, 3, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. 5, 5, 5, 5. I'm thinking 6. How about the 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. And I need a 3. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this middle row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square, so no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 6 could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in that box. So the 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here, and 8 in the middle row, no 8 in that box, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. Okay. Okay. 2, 4, 5, 5, 5. No. 2, 4, 1, 1. Okay, need a 1 here. Let me see. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this row. The 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 2, 5, 8. Yeah. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, 8, 8. 8, 2, 4, and the 3. I need a 3 here. No, we have a 3. 2, 4, and the 5. We need a 5 here. Okay. Let me see. Need a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Okay. Alright. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 6, 6. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 8, and the 5. 5, 4, and 1. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. I'm thinking. 2 and the 4, 2, 4, and the 5. I need a 5 here. Come on. 1 and 2 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 4. 1, 2, 4, and the 8. Need an 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in this box. And 8 in the third column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 should be here. 8 should be here. And 8 should be here. Yeah. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. Second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are not used. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright, 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes, and there are 2 missing numbers in this row. Third row, 4 numbers, 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, let me mark those, 2 and a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this. Oh, we have a 2 here. It's not correct here. It's not correct. We made a mistake. Double 2 here. This should be an 8. Yeah, 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for that. No, we have an 8 here. So this is not correct. This should be an 8. Wow. And this box should be a 2. Made a mistake. Fatal mistake. Okay. So this should be an 8. Then, oh, apologies. Wow. So maybe here I switched those 2 numbers. I do not know. So this should be the 2. So this 2 is not correct. Maybe this 5 also not correct. Maybe this 5 also not correct. Wow. Interesting. This should be the 2. This should be an 8. Yeah, 1. 2 and 8 are missing. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. Oh. 2, 2, 2. Well, we need a 2 here. So this 2 is not correct. Where is the error? The 2. Okay, let me put the 2 here. So 2 and a 5, we have a 2 here, so this should be the 2, and this box should be the 5. 5, 5, here should be the 5. Can I switch those? Yeah, maybe I switch those. Could be. Happen. Okay. 2, 2, this box should be a 2. Okay. 2, 2, this box should be a 2. Okay, so 1 box left in this row. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 8, 8. This box should be an 8. So the 5 and the 2. So this box should be a 5 then. That box should be a 2 then. 5, 5. This box should be a 5 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Those 2 boxes were correct. 18 minutes. Made a mistake, but told you I need 15 to 20 minutes. But with a mistake. Need to rewind this video to trace the error here. But we solve it again. Let me check, double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, with an error, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other puzzle, Tectonic, aka Jigsaw puzzle or Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.